Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best 40-watt Zealot high-power Bluetooth speaker for your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion's smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best 40-watt Zealot high-power Bluetooth speaker for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. When it comes to portable audio, a good Bluetooth speaker can make all the difference in your music experience. If you're searching for high-quality sound with an impressive power output, the 40-watt Zealot high-power Bluetooth speaker stands out as a solid option. Whether you're hosting a party, chilling by the pool, or simply enjoying your favorite tracks, this speaker provides all the features you need for a fantastic audio experience. Number 1. Powerful sound and clear audio. At the heart of the Zealot high-power Bluetooth speaker is its 40-watt output, which delivers impressive sound quality in a compact design. This high power ensures that whether you're indoors or outdoors, your music will be heard loud and clear. The speaker features enhanced bass technology that adds depth and richness to your music, making it perfect for both bass-heavy genres like EDM and rap, as well as acoustic melodies. Thanks to its high wattage, it's also capable of filling large rooms or outdoor spaces with ease, ensuring everyone gets to enjoy the tunes. Number 2. Bluetooth connectivity. In today's world, Bluetooth is the standard for connecting devices wirelessly, and the Zealot high-power Bluetooth speaker takes full advantage of this technology. It pairs easily with your smartphone, tablet, or laptop, allowing you to stream music from your favorite apps with minimal hassle. The Bluetooth range is solid, allowing you to move around freely without worrying about losing connection. Whether you're in the kitchen, by the pool, or in the yard, you can enjoy uninterrupted music. Number 3. Long battery life. A good speaker isn't just about sound, it's about endurance. The Zealot Bluetooth speaker boasts an impressive battery life, making it a reliable companion for long days of music. With its built-in rechargeable battery, you can expect up to 12 to 15 hours of continuous playback on a full charge, depending on your volume level. This makes it a perfect choice for all-day events, road trips, or just a day spent relaxing outdoors. Number 4. Waterproof design. One of the standout features of this speaker is its waterproof design. Whether you're caught in the rain or you want to take it to the beach or poolside, the Zealot high-power Bluetooth speaker has an IPX7 rating, meaning it can be submerged in up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes without sustaining damage. This added durability gives you the confidence to take your speaker wherever you go without worrying about water damage. Number 5. Portable and stylish. Despite its powerful sound, the Zealot high-power Bluetooth speaker is surprisingly portable. It features a sleek, modern design with a convenient handle for easy carrying. It's built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use, so whether you're hiking, camping, or heading to a BBQ, this speaker is designed to go with you. Additional features. Apart from the impressive audio quality, the Zealot Bluetooth speaker also includes a few bonus features. It has an integrated microphone for hands-free calls, and it also supports TF cards and USB connections, so you can play music directly from external devices without relying solely on Bluetooth. If you're in the market for a portable, high-performance Bluetooth speaker, the 40-watt Zealot high-power Bluetooth speaker is definitely worth considering. With its powerful audio, long battery life, water-resistant design, and convenient portability, it delivers everything you need in a compact package. Whether you're hosting a party or just listening to your favorite playlist, this speaker will ensure the experience is always enjoyable. Thanks for watching the video.